Can you say this? Rødgrød med fløde. R-Ø-D-G-R-Ø-D space M-E-D space F-L-Ø-D. Just to spell it for you. Yeah, and you say it rødgrød med fløde and not red mad fløde. And it's very difficult, but if you can say this, you can say anything in Danish. Yeah. Can you say this? Red, no. It's a Danish little thing you can say. Yeah. And you're gonna answer my phone. It's a pastry. No. Can you say this? Rødgrød med fløde. It's spelled R-Ø-D-F. Try to say this. No, don't try this at home if you can't pronounce it. But I don't know how you're gonna practice if you can't say this at home. Don't try.
Didn't know I'd meet